Hey guys, it is the Emoji Pikachu, and today, guess what this is? Guess what it is? Before I do the rest of this video, comment right now. Guess what it is? This is a slime. Beautiful, beautiful slime. Well guys, that's pretty much it of this video. Because, actually I'm going to be making, this is just like a view of my slime. And I'm going to be making a video of playing with slime. Actually, there's going to be a season of that, like fun slime. Sound like how okay. Guys, if you enjoyed this episode, please give this video a big like and subscribe. Bye.